Hold a sec. Allie's gonna laugh like an evil witch. Ready, go. Arg, what do you think? Think you can beat her?
I think that was a bunch of drunk Billjacks singing together.
We must not talk of such things. Do it again, Allie.
You don't talk, waitress. Ew.
Allie, you gonna have a burping contest? You guys gonna have a burping contest? Okay, Allie's gonna go first. Ready, go, Allie. Swallow, Allie. Ready? Go. All right, 4. Jack! There's your fuzzy hair. Shh. Dude, what happened? You had like 8 earlier. Allie, shh. Just a minute, we have to get well. Jack! Oh no. Okay, say bye.
That was 5.
Bye.
That was 5.
Those were like baby ones. Say bye, Allie.
I know, but they were 5.
Bye.
So I win.